Welcome. It has been 2 years since I've created this channel, and it has been a success, meaning it's done pretty good for me. But I can see in the near future we'll have some more episodes of welding. I don't know about farming yet. We might if we can get the other tractor changing oil and doing dirt work. But 2 years back, I was 20 at the time. And I kind of wanted to make a YouTube channel. Well, I kind of waited until the new year happened 2 years ago. So, this channel is called Thunderbolt Welding Channel at the first. And as the years went by, 2 years went by, it's not called Thunderbolt Welding Channel anymore. It's called Thunderbolt All-Purpose Channel now. I kind of got the new you-know-what channel on YouTube, but I don't have many videos on it. That's gonna be my welding channel, I think. And one of these days I'm gonna try to save all of these and change them and put them on the Thunderbolt channel. That's what it's called for right now. It's not called Thunderbolt Welding or anything. It's just called Thunderbolt. I'm going to put them all on there since it's my business channel. Since it's all been recorded in the past, really. And I hope we can do some more episodes of welding. I got a table to make. I kind of been working on that. It's been a while. I got some bevel plate, you know what, welded back together. And I got a step to make on my pickup truck. So, I hope you guys stick in tune. And I hope you guys see me sometime. I don't know when, but this channel has been an awesome channel to me, and I really don't want to leave it. Yeah. I've been pretty good and fortunate to keep this channel on YouTube. Well, I hope the next year goes better for it a little bit. Time will play out for them new episodes coming. God bless you guys, and God bless you all. A happy brand new year. And God bless this America, meaning this nation and other nations around it. I'll stick to you soon. God bless you all.